Well, beginning of the year, the winter year, got snow starting on the hill right behind the house here. But we're not looking too shabby. You gotta get all the sleds going, a couple nice Arctic Cats, and old Polaris. Nothing's new, but boy, these things rip. So we'll see what we can do here today and hope for the best. Of course, this one's not firing on one of the cylinders right now, so I'm gonna have to tow it out of here and winch it back into the garage because pulling these things around in the gravel is a pain in the ass. Okay, I got it pulled out of the side of the house here, bunch of garbage, and spun around. So now, to get it in the garage, since I don't have a come along or a helper or anything, got some crab line tucked to the hand winch on my boat. So let's see if this works. And I got the tires chalked on the boat trailer so it doesn't roll forward.
I'm trying to line up on the winch here to make sure it goes on straight. Mechanical advantage is an amazing tool.
This proves that it's working. All right, I'm gonna do a carburetor removal on a 98 Arctic Cat powder special here. Yeah, I'll start by popping the hood. Get this top of the air silencer box off. Now that we're to this point, start by removing the screw here and here. Okay, so we just removed this bracket here. There's one bolt in the top and the bottom is slotted. You can kind of see the slot down there and see the little flange there pokes into that slot and comes out. So once you get that removed, remove these three lines here and this whole silencer air box should lift right out. Just make sure remember which fuel line or which line, is going to which carburetor or which, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Use a pair of pliers here to get these clamps off. I'm using a pair of needle nose here, but whatever you can get in there is fine. Okay, so I already got the other carburetor off. The throttle and piston just thread, lefty-loosey off of the top of the carburetor. And make sure you mark every hose and know where everything goes. And then you'll need a 3/8 inch wrench to remove the choke cable here. And, unhook all your hoses and just make sure they go back in the same spot they went on. And then it's just one Phillips screwdriver on this clamp and the carburetor comes off. Okay, so to dismantle this carburetor, and I'm not doing a full tear down, just the basics. You get a Phillips #2 screwdriver, a 6mm socket, get the main jet out, screwdriver just for scraping and cleaning, and a 10mm box end wrench. So I will start here taking the carburetor apart. Start by dropping the bowl. I'm going to use my impact here just to get this apart. They're not stuck, but just makes things go quicker. 1, 2, one more on that one. 3, and 4. And I'm spilling fuel everywhere. 1 second. Ah, shit. Well, this one's not as bad as the other one, which I already did, but see, we got the white cream in there from water being in the fuel. And the main jet and everything. This one's not nearly as bad as the other one was. So what we'll do here is take a 10mm wrench right there. Take that off. Set that aside. And that's about all I'm going to be doing here. Then, you know, every orifice, I'll blow a little bit of carb cleaner through and then blow with my mouth just to make sure everything's free and clear. And yeah, a toothbrush can come in very handy, especially, you know, cleaning out the bottom of this bowl. Spray a little carb cleaner in there, get in there, do some scrubbing. You guys don't want to see all that though. To pull these floats out, you got to take these little rubber caps off. And on this carburetor, it's great because the floats actually say top on them. And you can see they got these studs sticking out, so you can't really put it in the wrong way, which is great. Let's see if I can get these caps off here. Don't lose them. There's 1, 2, and then the float should just come right out. Let me see if I can readjust here. So, I'm not going to bore you guys with me scrubbing and cleaning this, but like I said, spray a little carb cleaner in there, take a toothbrush, get everything really nice and clean. Should replace the gasket, but I'm not gonna. And then what I'm gonna do, wherever they went, is replace this main jet. And do that depending on temperature and altitude. You can buy these packs. I believe I bought these on eBay. Come with many different jets, different sizes, and you know, it just depends what you want for altitude and temperature. In this case, I'm going to be putting in the 390s, which are good for, I believe, 0 degrees to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, above 0. And that's my main operating. So yeah, I'll